Hi everyone, it's Øyvind Martinsen here. In this video we're going to talk about keywording and how to write title and caption in the library module in Adobe Lightroom. So we're going to start with one image here from Panama, and we are now in the library module. We're going to go down here where we're going to enter keywords. I'm going to delete the ones I have here and start all over again. So we're going to start with Panama. I'm going to write CN. You see, when I start to write, you can see up here now, if I have used the same words before, they appear, and you can just push enter. Push comma. So separate each word with comma. And we can write Herrera. Province is here. Enter. And we can write Republic of Panama. Do this with a big R here. And we're going to write landscape, landscapes, wetland, lake, and sunset. We can add more if you want, but that's a basic keywording. So I have the place, which country, that is landscapes, and it's wetland, and it's lake at sunset. So you can be as detailed as you want, but this is not so bad start if you want a good system for yourself. Just push enter and the keywords are here. So we're going to go down here in the title field under metadata, and here we can write the title, for example, sunset in Macanas. And we can write the caption. We can add some more words. We can write dramatic sunset in Ciénaga de las Macanas, Herrera Province, and Republic of Panama. Then I write my copyright info here. We proofread dramatic sunset in Ciénaga de las Macanas, Herrera Province, Republic of Panama. Here we go. Push enter and you have this. These caption here, this caption and the title and the keywords will follow this image. So if you upload them to a stock agency or to PhotoShelter, which we're going to talk about later, and this data will follow the image. So it's a very good tool. Let's go to another picture. Here we have white nose coati, and the first keywords I wrote when I imported the image was Panama 2018. So that's an okay keyword for a general keyword, but later we can go more into details. So I can write Republic of Panama. Go there. I can write the name of the animal is white nosed coati, and the Latin name Nasua narica. Here we go. And can write wildlife wildlife, and we can write animal. Oops, animal. And we can write animals if you want animals. There we go. And we can write rainforest. We can write joining. One. And I think that's it for now. So go just push enter, and we have more keywords on that. We're gonna go down here and write title and caption. So just write caption: white nosed coati. Enter. Go down to caption. Then I can write white nosed coati. The Latin name Nasua narica in a tree in Soberania National Park Republic of Panama. Oops, Panama. And the copyright mark is on Mac computers, it's Option and 1, and for Windows computers it's you press the Alt button and 0169, the Alt 0169, the Alt and 0169, but on Mac computers is just Option and 1. Write my name. There we go. I push enter. There we go. We have the caption, we have the title, we have keywords. So I can search later if I want for why snow coati, or just coati down here in the search field in the keyword list. You can just write coati, and you see here you have two images. So if you want to go into that collection, you can press that arrow. Close that one now. So we are finished with that one, and we can go to the next. Here is a sunrise. I have already written some in the caption field here, and I have a title. So it's a very beautiful dawn in Altos de Campana National Park in Panama. Oh, and I was there early in the morning, and here we can edit the keywords. So we're going to go for first Panama and Republic, and we're going to go for Altos de Campana. Select that one and enter. New comma. Remember to separate the keywords with comma. We have Altos de Campana. I'm going to remove that one. So, and we can write landscape, landscapes, and sunrise. You can write mountain, write coast, and we can write colorful, and so on. And the year, you can just fill in whatever you need, or whatever a client need to find your image on a search engine. So if you upload them in a stock agency, you have to have good keywords so the clients can find your images. So just push enter for this one, and need an M, sunrise. There we go. Next picture. Here's the mot, and we can start up here. You see I've already some general keywords here. Panama, you can write May 2014. I can write Republic, and we can write the bird. It's a Rufus mot. And the scientific name, the Latin name is Tengus marti. Tengus marti. We have bird, rainforest. We can write wildlife, colorful, and so on. So fill in with more detailed keywording if you want. So it will be possible to search for everything. And you see here in the image, he's eating an insect. So you can write, for example, feeding. And you can write orange color and green. So push enter and we have more keywords. So it's very important that you have the scientific name, the Latin name, if you are dealing with animals, flowers, birds, everything in nature that has a scientific name. You have to add it, because then it's more searchable in collections, and that is important if you want to make some money, so the clients can find your images. So write the caption. Let's see. Rufus mot marti, and in the rainforest in Panama. Copyright. There we go. Rainforest of Panama can have. There we go. So we have the caption, and we can write the title. Rufus mot. Let's do one more. It's a muskox. Can start up here. We are at Dovrefjell and Norway. It's in 2014, September, and we can go for muskox, and the scientific name, the Latin name is Ovibos moschatus. And wildlife, highlands, mountain, and it's the season is the autumn season or fall. So, and wild animal, and one bull. It's a bull. You can write that. So we have more keywords, and we can push enter. And we can write the caption and the title. So we write musk ox, enter. We can go down here and write more detailed caption. So we can write musk ox bull, and scientific name Muscatus in Dovrefjell National Park, Norway, and copyright. And double check. Yes, we're there. So this was an introduction to how you can keyword them, and how you can then search them in the keyword list here later. Let's say we want to search for mot, and here we have the one Rufus mot, one image, and I go on the click on the arrow here, and here we have the one. Or I can try to find the coati, the white-nosed coati. We have two images, and here's the one I worked, gave a caption, I gave it keywords. We have them here. So it's a very useful tool, and the same keywords and the same caption will follow the image. So if you upload this image to a stock agency, this caption will follow, and the same with these keywords. So if you do the job one time in Lightroom, it will be much easier for you, and you will save a lot of time if you do it properly the first time, and you will sell more images if you want to do that. So thank you for being with me in this video, and I see you soon in the next.